In today's episode, we are diving into the essential tools every rider should have when heading out on a motorcycle tour. Let's talk about the must have gear to keep you prepared for anything the road throws your way. When you're on a motorcycle tour, every mile is an adventure, but it also brings unpredictable challenges. From remote trails to endless highways, your journey can quickly turn if you are unprepared for the unexpected. That's where a well chosen set of tools come in. A solid toolkit isn't just about repairs, it's about peace of mind, knowing you're ready for minor fixes that keeps your ride smooth and your plans on the track. First up, a basic toolkit with essential wrenches, screwdrivers, and pliers to handle quick fixes. For those unexpected flats, pack a puncture kit and a portable tire inflator. These can save you hours in remote areas. A can of chain lubricant keeps your chain smooth and ready for any terrains. And don't forget a portable jumper to handle battery hiccups on the go, along with a basic electrical repair kit for quick wiring fixes. With these essentials, you're not just prepared, you're unstoppable. Gear up, hit the road, and ride with confidence. Having a basic toolkit is essential for any motorcyclist, allowing you to tackle minor repairs and keep your bike running smoothly. With the right tools, you can easily replace oil, swap out your disc pads, and inspect the spark plug to ensure reliable performance. These small routine checks and fixes can make a big difference in preventing unexpected breakdowns on the road. So, whether you are heading out on a long ride or just commuting, a well equipped toolkit keeps you ready for anything. A puncture repair kit is a must have for any motorcyclist. Flat tires can happen anytime, especially on rugged and remote roads, and having a repair kit can be a difference between getting back on your journey or waiting hours for help. Quick and easy to use, a puncture repair kit lets you patch up and get back on the road in no time. Pack one before your next ride and ride with peace of mind. When it comes to long motorcycle rides, a portable tire inflator is a game changer. It's compact, easy to use, and essential for managing tire pressures on the go. A quick top up can make all the difference in handling and fuel efficiency. Personally, I rely on the Washer brand. It's durable, fast, and built to perform under any conditions. If you're planning on your next adventure, don't leave without one. And if you're looking to buy one, I would suggest to go for the Washer brand, and there's a link below through which you can get one. A can of lubricant is a small but essential addition to any motorcycle travel kit. Keeping your chain clean and well lubricated ensures smooth power delivery and extends the life of your chain sprockets. Plus, a quick spray on any squeaky joints or hinges keeps everything operating smoothly, so you can focus on the ride ahead. Don't leave for your next adventure without it. Your bike will thank you. Don't hesitate to carry a portable jumper. Battery issues can catch you off guard, especially when you're miles from help. A portable jumper gives you the proper restart your bike anytime, anywhere, so you're never stranded. Compact and easy to carry, it's the ultimate backup for peace of mind on the road. Keeping one in your kit and keep riding with confidence. If you found these tips helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join us for more essential gear guides and travel hacks for your next adventure. Stay prepared, stay safe, and keep the journey along with us here.